Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hyobin Kim, and I am majoring in biotechnology. Today, I am going to talk about sea level rise. Nowadays, global warming is a serious problem that people around the world are noticing. Global warming is the cause of several problems that people around the world are noticing. Global warming is the cause of several problems that humanity faces, one of which being the rising sea levels. As we are dealing with the topic of global warming through various media, I will start the presentation with the hope that people will be more alert and pay attention to global warming. Firstly, I will talk about the cause of rising sea levels. After that, I will share the enormous impact of rising sea levels on the Earth. Lastly, I am going to talk about how to stop rising sea levels. First of all, the main causes of sea level rise is melting of glaciers and ice sheets. It's like how ice melts on a cup of warm water. The giant bodies of ice melts into the sea and causes sea level rise. The land of Greenland and Antarctica is covered with glaciers and ice sheets. Therefore, land glaciers and ice sheets melt as the global temperature rises, which causes the sea level to rise because the ice that has been above sea level so far has entered the ocean. Next, I will talk about the effect of rising sea levels on us. Rising sea levels can do more damage than we can imagine. Rising sea levels will cause many cities to be flooded, especially in island and coastal areas. Have you heard about Maldives? An island famous for vacation spots? Maldives is a country with very low terrain because it is less than 1 meter above sea level. However, studies have shown that low-lying islands such as the Maldives will be uninhabitable as global warming causes sea levels rise by 3 to 4 millimeters each year. Rising sea levels can damage coastal areas. As sea level rise, the frequency and intensity of flooding will increase. Also, the rising of sea levels can cause animals and plants to become extinct. For example, polar bears living in cool climates are losing their homes as the ice in the Arctic Ocean decreases. Finally, I will talk about solutions to sea level rise. If the rising continues, there is a way to prevent seawater from entering by building a high breakwater. Also, sea level rise is a part of global warming. Therefore, lowering greenhouse gas emissions is a way to slow down sea level rise. Greenhouse gas emissions are increasing due to forest destruction and excessive use of fossil fuels. It's seriously affecting global warming. In addition to these things that the government should practice, there are things that individuals can practice avoiding worsening global warming, such as not wasting food and using eco bag instead of using plastic bags and recycling well are simple ways to protect the earth. And I believe that small actions can make a big difference. Let's all try to make a better earth. And thank you for listening to my presentation.